If you intend on visiting Tobago and plan to stay at the Comfort Inn and Suites, you may find this information informative. Comfort Inn and Suites Tobago, located in Lower Scarborough, is close to the Scarborough Botanical Gardens, the Port of Scarborough Cruise Area, and the Shaw Park Cultural Complex. With its prime location, guests can easily explore the island, relax on the beach, or enjoy the nightlife and local cuisine. Comfort Inn and Suites room options. The hotel offers a variety of room options to suit the needs of different types of travelers, including standard rooms and suites. All rooms feature modern amenities such as air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, which allow me to binge-watch movies at night, complimentary Wi-Fi, a microwave, a mini refrigerator, an in-room safe, a hairdryer, and an iron and ironing board. The rooms provide comfort and style, with a relaxing ambiance and elegant decor. The comfortable bedding, ample space, and in-room coffee maker made me feel at home. This one is one of the most comfortable hotel beds I have slept on in years. Comfort Inn and Suites on-site amenities. The hotel features a variety of on-site amenities to help you make the most of your stay. These include a rooftop pool, a rooftop restaurant with ocean views and a stylish lounge, a poolside bar, an on-site spa, a fitness center, and a business center. The swimming pool is a great place to cool off and relax, and the fitness center is well equipped with cardio machines and weights for those who want to keep up with their fitness routine. The restaurant offers delicious meals that you can enjoy indoors or al fresco. Comfort Inn and Suites Buffet Breakfast. The hotel offers a complimentary buffet breakfast each morning for all guests. The breakfast buffet offers a variety of options to suit different dietary needs and tastes, such as eggs, bacon, sausages, fresh fruits, pastries, bread, and cereals. One thing I found is that the buffet breakfast was a bit monotonous. If you're staying 5 days or more, you will be cycling through the same menu, but you can mix and match to keep it from getting boring. I enjoyed the pastries, especially the pumpkin bread, the fried fish strips, and the cinnamon porridge. And the bacon, of course. Other food options from the hotel's restaurant feature a mix of local and international cuisine. The restaurant also serves a wide selection of drinks, including local beers, wines, and tropical cocktails. Comfort Inn and Suites accessibility. The hotel is wheelchair accessible and equipped with facilities for guests with disabilities. They are available to provide extra support if required. Comfort Inn and Suites parking. The hotel provides complimentary parking for guests, and their parking lot is well lit and secure. It's roomy and can accommodate larger vehicles like SUVs. I had no problem parking the SUV I rented. So this was a great convenience for me. Climate in Tobago. Tobago has a tropical climate, with warm temperatures and high humidity year-round. The island has two main seasons, a rainy season from June to December and a dry season from January to May. The rainy season typically brings more frequent showers and thunderstorms, while the dry season features less precipitation and sunny skies. The hotel staff can provide information on the current weather conditions and potential safety concerns during your stay. Please don't hold me to this because the weather these days seems to be getting less and less predictable. Comfort Inn and Suites Tobago is a new hotel, opened in 2022, that offers guests a comfortable and convenient base for exploring the island of Tobago.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have fun traveling.